Hi, how are you? Welcome to 333 Adelaide Street East, Unit 712. I want to welcome you into this gorgeous one-bedroom condo, 614 square feet, listed for sale for $549,900. And come on in, it's absolutely stunning. I want to tell you that this unit has been completely renovated recently, so it's almost like living into a brand new unit. No one has really lived here before. I mean, yes, they have, but because it's totally renovated, everything is brand new. So let's start with the flooring. So the flooring is brand new, plank, lovely. It's a kind of a warm ash color, and it's actually laminate. It's not hardwood. And a lot of people think that laminate, but you know, laminate's really good because it's actually more durable than hardwood. So this is a pet-friendly building. We're at the Mozo Lofts on Adelaide Street at Adelaide and Sherbourne. I'll talk about the building in a moment, but just to let you know, it is pet-friendly. And speaking of pets, if they have nails, they're not going to really make a mess of the floors, which is great. So, entering now into the beautiful kitchen. Like I said, completely renovated. We have quartz countertops. We have a lovely island. What I love about this island is that it's got storage underneath. So it's very practical. You can work on this island. You can entertain here. People can sit, you know, you have a little breakfast bar. I love the storage on this island right now that we have. Moving over into the kitchen, as I said, a nice undermount sink. Brand new fixtures. Everything is new. Quartz counters, beveled, tile backsplash. Tastefully done. Brand new appliances, never used. Over the stove microwave by Samsung. We have a Samsung stove. So I'm going to open this up. And I even see the manual in there, so it's totally brand new. Samsung fridge. Like I said, never used. Brand new. It's wonderful. And the washer dryer is a full-size washer dryer, front loading by Inglis. And I love the light in here. You know, it's the sun starting to come out. This is a soft loft, so it's not originally an official loft. It wasn't an old warehouse back in the day, but it is modeled on that loft concept with the exposed ceilings. We're in the St. Lawrence Market area. We're also in the Design District. King East Design District is very close by, so if you're a furniture aficionado, you're in the right neighborhood, trust me. And it's just, I mean, you've even got a historic building right there. I mean, the history in this area is unbelievable. Concrete ceilings, 9 foot. So this is a nice tall unit, very spacious, very airy. We're south facing. As you can see, I've got a bank of windows behind me. This is a Juliet balcony. It's stunning, just stunning. So it's a very nice layout. You know, a lot of people are working from home now. So this is a little office that, you know, this would be an ideal spot for an office. So you've still got a lot of space to have your live work. Actually, the demographic for this building is urban professionals and creative types. So a lot of live work situations happening. We're located on the north end of St. Lawrence Market. A wonderful, wonderful area full of culture. It's one of the oldest areas in Toronto. There's restaurants, there's very close to theater, a great area. As I mentioned, it's a pet-friendly building. We're also very close to St. James Park and Moss Park. So you can take your doggy out there, take Fido out for a walk. Kitty would love looking out these windows because they're floor to ceiling. Brand new roller blinds. You see, they just got installed. There we go. Really nice blinds. Just got installed a couple of days ago. And now I'm going to show you the bedroom. But first, I want to show you the full-size washer dryer. There we go. Washer dryer, front loading. Brand new, not used before. And then there's some great storage here. Over here. You know, it looks like a regular closet. When you stick your head in there, it goes all the way back. You could store luggage in here. You could store your Christmas tree. You could store your bicycle in here during the winter. So it's really, really practical. And now the bathroom. I love this bathroom. Gorgeous mosaic tile flooring. Really, really, it's a nice, you know, it's like an organic sensibility with the soft wood and the marble, sorry, the tile flooring. It's just a beautiful mix. I just, you know what, I love the black accessories, the black fixtures here. Really, really on trend. Stepping into the bedroom. Really pretty. It opens up, so again, with our concrete ceilings, you've got an opening there, so you do get some light coming through here. But you know what? It's not the kind of light that's going to keep you up if you're a late sleeper in the morning. I love that we've got these lovely built-ins into the closet, double closet. .333 Adelaide Street East, Unit 712, listed for $549.9. So it's a great price. It's a brand new unit. So if anyone's looking for a brand new unit, you know, rather than buy pre-construction or buy a unit from a builder or even a resale unit in a brand new building, you're actually getting better value in this unit here. And it's a great building. It's only 10 stories, 211 units, called the Mozo Lofts. Really, really nice mix of people in here. The maintenance fees here are $344 a month approximately. They include everything but your hydro, so your heat and your air conditioning, and your water is included. So the only bill you're going to get is a hydro bill. Condo taxes per year are $1,973, so they're relatively reasonable. We're at the Mozo Lofts. It's really a boutique building. Full service concierge services, 24 hours, gym, sauna, and party room. Close to everything. There's lovely restaurants in St. Lawrence Market, the Esplanade. You've got the Sony Center for the Performing Arts. So when theater's going on, which right now we're in COVID, so there is no theater. However, when theater opens up again, you're literally a hop, skip, and a jump. You can also walk to the financial district from here. It's very, very close. We're close to everything. Walk to Yonge Street from here. Located at the corner of Adelaide and Sherbourne, in the downtown east section of Toronto. It's a really desirable area. I mean, in the summertime, there's so many bike trails around here. This past summer, I rode my bike everywhere, all down through here. Sherbourne Street's got dedicated bike lanes. We're at the north end of St. Lawrence Market. So St. Lawrence Market is a historical area. It's one of the oldest areas in Toronto. There's a wonderful famed market where you can go buy food. I believe it's open every day. You know, fresh food, all like fresh, you know, butchers are there and farmers are there with all their products and vegetables and fruits, and really, really wonderful.
Patrice says that it's got beautiful finishes.
Gorgeous
she sends
finishes.
love.
Yeah, Patrice, thank you, Patrice. Yeah, the finishes are beautiful. I mean, my client has great taste, and he renovated this, and you know, this is for the most discerning buyer can come through here. I see like a single person, like a you know, urban professional or a couple living here with their dog. And we're listed at $549,900 at 333 Adelaide Street East, Unit 712. I'm Kimay Miles, Sotheby's International Realty. Thank you very much for joining. Very tiny. Oh my God, I can't open the door, now I will. Anyways, what's in here? Oh, I know. You lift it up. Oh my God.